In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sections label in Todoist. If you're someone who likes to have their tasks neatly organized, then this tutorial is for you. Using sections in Todoist can help you break down large projects into more manageable parts, making your to-do list cleaner and more structured. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up Todoist on your preferred device. You can either do this through your web browser by heading to the Todoist website or by opening the app if you're on a smartphone or tablet. Once you're in, navigate straight to the Projects section. This is your workspace where all your projects are listed, waiting to be organized. Next, select the project you wish to organize further. For the sake of this tutorial, imagine you're working on a big project, like organizing a business event or planning a vacation. Click on the specific project to open it up. Doing so takes you into the project's main interface where you can view all of your tasks associated with that project. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 dots, that's your options menu. Click on those 3 dots, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options regarding your project. What you're looking for here is the option that says Add Section. Go ahead and click on Add Section. Once you've clicked Add Section, a text field will appear where you can type in a label for your section. It's your chance to categorize tasks in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Perhaps use something like research, preparation, or follow-ups, depending on what your project requires. Be as specific as needed to clarify the intent of the section. After you've entered a name for your section, confirm it by clicking on Add Section. This will finalize the creation of your new section within the project, forming a distinct area where you can now add related tasks. With the section created, it's time to start populating it with tasks. Simply click on the option to add task within the newly created section and start listing the tasks you need to tackle. This new organization method will help you visually compartmentalize tasks, making your projects less daunting and showcasing a clear path forward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully utilized the sections label in Todoist to better organize your project. This small yet powerful feature can make a big difference in keeping your workflow efficient and your mind clutter-free. Try it out with all your projects and enjoy the tidiness brought by planning with purpose. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in our next video for more productivity hacks.